Welcome to Fantasy
We
World.
both have reached somehow. And now we are fully dependent on public transport and we are taking a bus.
After landing at Treviso Airport, we hopped onto a bus heading towards Venice, and none of us expected what happened next. A golden, glowy, completely unreal sunset. Everyone on the bus slowly went quiet, and Venice from above doesn't even look real. It feels like a painting floating on water. As soon as we arrived, the city welcomed us with the music.
Just exploring, walking.
Look at her, she is also struggling, but still we came.
Street, it felt like we had stepped into a movie set. Believe me, I used to imagine myself in that place, and being there has been one of the special feeling. And then we found the cutest little chocolate shop. So we started walking, no plans, no map. We saw the cutest dog ever. I swear, it looked like something straight out of fairy tale. The kind of place you just stand outside smiling for no reason. We kept exploring, and then of course, it's full of those tiny surprises.
Now this is what you see. Here the bridge looks like this.
Soon we reached the canals, those narrow waterways where boats glide through so smoothly between buildings. Watching them pass felt almost hypnotic. And then famous Rialto Bridge. I had imagined it calm, peaceful, romantic, straight from the movies. The sunset, absolutely stunning.
I think just crossing Venice famous bridge. Everybody's waiting for the sunset and they're watching sunset right now.
The crowd, extra stunning. Not so much, but it's packed all the time. This is winter. I cannot even imagine what would be the situation be here.
I swear, I'm trying to find the stay since last 1-2 hours and we are like 500 centimeter radius and our phone is on like literally on 10% now and still roaming in 500 centimeter only. Sorry, meter, not centimeter. So finally, look at us. Finally, we after walking for so many minutes in 500 meter range, we found the place, and now we are going for
Food,
eating. I don't know whether it's a breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whatever it is. And the Christmas vibe is quite nice here. I know, right? I don't know whether it will come good or not, but it's definitely coming.
Restaurants were buzzing, people were dining, the city felt alive. We grabbed food, I headed back, and I remember filming my friend.
Look at my friend. She's really sick. But we had to come on a trip to Venice.
Think about travel, you don't feel exhaustion until you stop, and then a new day. Venice in the daytime feels completely different, brighter, almost softer, so lively. We started the morning wandering again, passing through those luxury stores. That made me feel that I need to work on myself and improve my financial situation so I can, go to those store and buy whatever I want to buy. And just like that, I did not buy anything, but definitely I looked at everything, and I have added each and everything that I looked at in my cart, and someday I'm gonna buy it. The weather was perfect, boats docked along the edge, couples taking pictures, people walking like this was just another normal Tuesday, which is wild. We turned to St. Mark's Square in a daylight to really take it in. Yes, it was crowded, very crowded, but when you look up at the architecture, the detail, the scale, you forget the noise for a second. And then it was the time for breakfast, hot chocolate, and we just sat there taking it slow.
So our lovely trip is ending.
1 day trip. Okay. It's good, huh? It's not.
Yeah, the trip for 1 day is always good. She bought a couple of things. No, just one jacket. One jacket. I didn't buy anything, so she's going to India, so it's fine. I'll not go. When I go, then I'll buy something again. And now we are waiting for our water taxi to come. Here, water taxi. The only place where no cars are allowed inside the city. We all have to walk, and our taxi is here. This is the taxi. It's coming for us, right? No, it's going somewhere else. Now it's time to board water taxi.
Huh?
Go.
And I got it. Sitting at the back of the water taxi, cruising through the Grand Canal, every single bridge we passed felt magical.
No, this is Academia. We don't have to get down here. Bye bye, Venice. Now I feel it's good. It's different actually.
It felt cinematic. I filmed a little bit of myself, then turned the camera back to the view.
Round.
Round I know.
Still crowded, still iconic, and no gondola ride for me this time. But honestly, watching everything from the water taxi felt as special. And just like that, the day was ending. We passed under bridges, glided the canals, took in the final views near Rialto, and it was time. Time to say goodbye to Venice. The city is not quiet. It's not empty. It's not calm. It's alive. It's crowded. It's chaotic. But it's beautiful. And most importantly, it made me feel really, really poor. And sometimes that's exactly what makes a place unforgettable. Venice, you were magical. Until next time.